pouring rain. Let's have a butcher's. It's absolutely bucketing. I mean, we're talking about bucketing. Oh, dear. What about that for a stormy location? It's been sunny all day and then this happened. Oh dear. Absolutely. Oh well, nice, isn't it? It's nice. I like it. I'm cosy inside looking out. So makes no difference to me. Oh no. Oh no. We're okay in here. Let's get back and see. Yeah, we're nicely tucked away in here. Oh yeah. But out there is the end of the world. Nice. Coming down again, hard. It's coming harder. It's coming back. They've got good drainage system around the roads. Yep, I think that's it. Well, we can't show much more, that much more to show. Hello, it's raining here, look, just trying to get in, look, it's getting wet. They've only got to leave their car and run from their car in a good drinks. It's a downpour so much. Oh well, we did have a little bit of lightning and thunder, but we can relax now. The Saints on at the moment. Simon Temper. Oh, look, we've got a few things in here, look. Sherlock Holmes. And look, we've got an Elvis Presley telephone. The telephone, when it rings, he sings one of his songs, You Ain't Nothing But an Hound Dog, and it's a model of him, and it starts dancing and shaking. It was a limited edition. And there we are. Okay. Good night all. Or day. Good day all. And off we go. With the weather pouring down. Bye.